So I don't know how much of this you can hear because it's absolutely blowing a gale down here at the beach. But I've just come out for a lunchtime walk and I heard that there was a little tern colony and I have found them. There's so many of them and it is such a treat to be able to see so many of them nesting in this area. I don't know if you can see anything or hear anything. It's too bright. I don't know what I'm filming right now. Classic studio bingers. But it's so amazing just to be able to stand and watch them. They're probably thinking, who's that weirdo? And I did just hear the familiar peep peep of an oystercatcher, so I'm gonna go and see if I can track that one down. So I found this what I think is an oystercatcher egg on the shingle. It's quite away from the area where that's roped off for the nesting birds. But as you can see, it's empty, and I very much hope that that means that there is a baby oystercatcher wandering around and it's not something that's been predated. I'm going to go with my positive hope story and say that this is one that has hatched. Fingers crossed. I have found the oystercatcher. Kingfishers may evade me, but I always find the oystercatcher. There it is. If it turns around, you might just be able to see that iconic red beak. And you can hear the little terns that are stealing the show. I don't know why, but sorry, proper bird watchers are probably going to shoot me down, but I always think of, do you know that Wallace and Gromit? Is it the wrong trousers? Whenever I see an oystercatcher. You know, that penguin. They always just remind me of them. Where's it gone? Oh God. There it is. Another classic from Studio Bingers. Absolutely gorgeous birds, my absolute favourite birds in the world. Here's another oystercatcher that I've just spotted on my way back down the beach, just making its way. I love the way they run. Just making its way. I don't know, maybe to its nest. Or just away from me. While we're at it, we might as well make it a hat trick. There is an avocet over there. This has been a very good walk. I know that there are a lot of nesting avocets over. Why does my camera keep wandering like that? What's happening? There's a lot of ground nesting birds around here at the minute, so it's absolutely beautiful to be able to... Ooh, it's flying away! It's amazing to be able to see them around here. It's amazing living here and just being able to come for a walk and see oystercatchers and little terns and avocets, and I don't actually know what I'm filming now. I think I'm just filming ground. But hey, there's nature everywhere, right? But yeah, I suppose that concludes my lunchtime walk. Now I need to go and resume work. But I hope you've enjoyed coming with me for yet another nature adventure. Have a great day.